What's going on, y'all? Well, I just walk into this Burlington and they got security at the door. But not only do they got security at the door, they have a rope when you walk in that you can't even just walk straight into the goddamn door. That's weird to me. Is that not weird? Oh, that's just me. That's just me. Or is that the new thing where we stopping you before you even come in the door? Tell you what the hell going on. I don't know. But looking at these colognes, what's a good cologne? I'm trying to find another fragrance. I know this Explorer, that hit Ultra Blue or the Mount Blanc Explorer. Yeah, I'm not sure. I want a new scent, but I don't know what I want as my new scent, so I have to go looking. But y'all know why we're here. We came to see what shoes they got after the holiday. Yeah, see what shoes they got. Oh, that thing, let me see that. Reebok has entered the chat for running shoes. I keep telling y'all, Reebok, these clean. It's these Dame Dashes, Dame Lillards, them clean. I keep telling y'all, Reebok gonna take over. Because they just gonna, the availability of shoes they gonna put out is gonna be stupid. I keep telling y'all that. They're not gonna stop putting out shoes. That's what's gonna set them apart from anybody else. And let's see what we got in there. Big feet gang. That's what's gonna set Reebok apart. I keep seeing them Pegasus everywhere. Them clean, but nothing to write home about. Once we got the brown twins and the Big Feet gang, which is a Burlington special. What else we got? Not really seeing much. Remember when these was taking over? They was taking over. Some Pegasus. I like this color. I ain't gonna hold you. Color clean. For 129, that's wild. What size are these? 11 and a half. They clean. I don't know the resale value on clouds. I really need to know because I keep seeing them in places. And I really want to know the resale value. I just been too lazy to look them up. These Pumas, these Jordans, these Lucas. Michael Kors stepped in the chat. Michael Kors said, we got something to say. Blue Jays. wild because I don't see KDs out in the wild neither. So it's wild not to see them in the stores like this. Oh, slew of bars. We got some pennies, size 8. So how much do you say? 69, that's not bad. I wonder if my son would want them. Might come back and grab them. That's size 8 too. I wonder if he will wear them. For $70, you can't beat that, man. My bad on that ringer. They was on that pair. These clean. Some all white shirts. These ones. Those are nice. They ain't got nothing in here. Just more KDs. GT cups. Seen a million of those. We've seen a million of those. Good guys, trying to watch them. Told y'all, Reebok. Music to chat. What's the sleepers right here? Thought I was gonna get away with one too. Nope, not at all. Not at all. I think I'm gonna grab these shoes for my son. These pennies. I'm really thinking about it. Nah. I'll see. Hey, we gonna try to hit another store, see what somebody else got. I know this loud as hell. We're gonna try to hit another store and see what another stuff got before we move forward. Yeah. Crazy. Alright, y'all. We'll be back though. What's going on? Another day, another steal, another deal. We gonna shoot into this other Burlington to see what they got. The first Burlington, it was We gonna see what this other one got, and we might stop in Ross because that's across the street. Let's see what they got. Keep in mind, I shop and I go in these places looking for stuff that say a reseller would sell, not stuff that your everyday person is wearing or buying. So let's go in here and see what they got, and let's get into it. Let's get into it. Off rip, those clean. Let's see what we got. Look like we got the same thing we got in here as the other stuff here. What else we got? I keep telling y'all Reebok gonna take over. Pegasus. Clean. Clean, clean, clean. Not seeing much later. Oh yeah, they ain't got much in here. I think they done been ran through already, dog. for 69. That ain't bad, actually. That's not bad at all. And I'm not seeing nothing in the small sizes, the 8s, 8.5, 9s. Oh, these 7.5, my bad. 7s and 8s. Every time I touch a shoe, every time. These not bad at all. Number 9, they're not bad. Those clean. Like I said, I look in like bronze for 89, and these not really deals. When you look at the scope of how much shoes cost now, and you got some shoes that's on sale, them clean. What size is these? These clean. A 9.5, man. These clean as hell. Zoom X, they look comfortable. They real thin. Not no shoe for winter, but for running and shit like that, I think this is a good shoe. What else we got in here? More LeBrons, more Pegasus. I just gave some Pegasus away for free. I have these. I have them already in the collection, which will probably be going away too. Cause I don't think I remember when these first came out. I didn't want none, but I like the color on them. 79, that ain't bad neither. Not a bad price for that. Some Dookies, Antetokounmpos. Yeah, we not really seeing nothing, man. It's not really nothing. I wonder if Ross gonna be the same way. We shooting Ross. I got a feeling it's gonna be the same. We got these right here, these Adidas. Clean. I only want 39 for these. Those are clean. I don't like the shoe itself, but the heel part, I don't like that, but it's clean. It's a clean look. Alright, let's see what Big Feet Gang got going on. Let's see what Big Feet Gang got. And once again, the same kind of shoes. I see ain't nothing popped off. We got the same thing. We got some the other Pegasus, the actual running Pegasus. The people wear for actual running, not nothing else. Just there. What else we got in here? Yeah, it's not looking too promising. It's not looking too promising. It's a Sunday, y'all, so. It's not looking too promising. Well, we're gonna head out of here. Let's head to Ross and see what Ross got. I'll get back with y'all. Grizzlies, Jordan 4 lows, size 11, 69. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. That's not bad at all, fellas. These clean too. Clean. These. Ooh. Haven't seen these in some years. People use these as donors all the time. Size 10, that's not bad. What are these? What are these? I don't know what these are. Somebody tell me in the comments what them are. Lupus. So clean. Curries. Kids curries. Clean. Cleo, this clean. Way too clean. I'll tell y'all, Reebok is taking over. Reebok is taking over. Not really seeing nothing. Nothing else in here. Small feet gang. Couple Kyries. Other than that, not seeing too much. Uh-oh.